Okay, Melanie. Quick video. Boo.
Yeah.
We are at Bethany's house.
Yes, and I am in a wife beater.
Because she beats wives.
My bad.
My bad. That was perfect with my mouth open.
My teeth look really white in this. I wish they all looked like that. They do, look. It's like, it
like
makes me want to smile. Ooh, Gary Lau, like, huh. Creepy. Whatever. And you're saying you don't know me.
I don't. Okay. I love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay.